Yes. No. Okay. And what about biology? Oh yes. Double no, right? Okay. Today we will learn about the chemistry of life. And before we start on this, I have 2 minutes. Two questions. Two questions. Can you read together? 1, 2, 3. Micronutrients. And question number 2 is macronutrients. What are the macronutrients? Okay, you will find the answer in this video. Okay. Please concentrate. Are you ready?
Did you know there are 6 essential nutrients our body perform optimally? And our bodies cannot make these nutrients themselves, so we need to obtain them through food. So what are these nutrients? First, we have macronutrients, which are proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. We also need micronutrients, which are vitamins and minerals. And finally, the last essential nutrient we need is water. So let's talk about each of these nutrients and how to get them into our diets. First up, carbohydrates. Carbs are your body's preferred energy source. And the most nutrient-rich sources of carbohydrates are fruits, starchy vegetables like beans and potatoes, and whole grains like oats and brown rice. Be mindful of your intake of refined drinks and sugars because these can increase your risk for certain health conditions like diabetes. Next up, protein. What we get in your protein has the nutrient needed to build muscle. And while that's true, proteins also need to study chemical reactions and support the immune system. The best protein sources include animal foods like fish, poultry, dairy, and eggs, as well as plant foods like beans, legumes, nuts, and soy.
Okay, let's back to the question. Can you read this question together? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Micronutrients. Okay, who wants to answer? No one? Okay, what are the micronutrients? Vitamin, mineral. Okay, very good. Vitamin and mineral. And next, what are the macronutrients? Protein, carbohydrate, and fat. Okay, very good. Okay, today we will learn about this is about the chemistry. Okay, I will give the take for you first. Okay. You have to give one and 20 back. One person for one thing. No, all you will get one paper, okay? All you will get one paper. Okay, the first part is vocabulary. I will enable the sound, full sound. After that, you have to repeat, okay? Okay, listen together.
Contain.
Okay, can you repeat together? 1, 2, 3. Contain. Content is mean have, acid or substance. Content is usually used with the chemistry. But if you use in your life, you have to use have or acid. Okay, look at this picture. This picture is organic molecule. It has oxygen, hydrogen, and carbon. Okay? That's why in the example, the organic molecules always contain carbon and usually also contain hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, let's listen together again. Okay, can you read this together? 1, 2, 3. Always contain
and usually also
hydrogen and oxygen.
Energy source.
Energy source. Energy source is something that if you are if provide something that such as oil or protein or carbohydrate that provide the power. Okay, let's see the example.
Carbohydrates are an important energy source for plants and animals. Carbohydrates are an important energy source for plants and animals.
Okay, can you read it together? 1, 2, 3. Carbohydrates are an important energy source, the important energy source for plants and animals. And you can give me some example of energy source. For example, is carbohydrate, and what it is? Protein. Carbohydrate and protein and okay, next who wants to give me carbohydrate, protein and what's next? What? Fat. Fat and other is vitamin, mineral. Okay, and next.
Increase.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Increase. Increase means to make something that too high or up. And its opposite, the word is decrease. Decrease is low. Increase is high. Increase high or low? High. What about decrease is low. Okay. Okay, let's see the example.
Cholesterol increases the risk of heart disease. Cholesterol increases the risk of heart disease.
Can you read together? 1, 2, 3. Cholesterol increase the risk of heart disease. The risk is means have opportunity to happen. Okay. Okay. What is increase the risk of heart disease? What is increase the risk of heart disease? What is cholesterol? Okay, very good. Cholesterol. Okay, this part is gamma part is present simultaneous. All you know present simultaneous, right?
Yes.
Did you know that?
Yes.
Okay, present simultaneous for this one. When you use present simultaneous, we will use with general truth and fact. What is general truth and fact? Yes, we use present simultaneous to talk about the things that are general truth. For example, is for chemistry or biology. We will use present simultaneous to explain that. Okay, because it's a statement or general truth, right? Okay, let's see the structure. For example, the first one, the structure of present simultaneous is have subject and verb. For singular subject, verb we have to add s or yes. And what about plural subject? Verb we will infinitive. Affair is plural or singular subject? Singular subject. And what about two windows is plural subject. Very good. Okay, let's see the example. Can you read together? Smoking. Process. Cancer. Smoking is singular or plural? Singular or plural? Singular is uncountable now. If uncountable now, we will add in singular subject. Okay, smoking, process, cancer. If you are smoke, you will be the cancer. Okay? Is anyone in this room smoking? Alright. Okay, next. Organic molecules always contain carbon and usually also contain hydrogen and oxygen. What is the subject in this part? What is the subject in this part? subject. All organic modules is subject. Subject singular or plural? Singular or plural? Singular or plural? Plural subject we have S by. And verb, the subject is plural, verb have to. Infinitive don't have anything. Okay? And this one. Okay, can you read this sentence together? 1, 2, 3. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrates. Singular or plural? Plural. Okay? Plural subject and what could be right? Good with plural subject. And important is so important. Okay, this part is the passage for today. Okay? Can you read it together? The title together? 1, 2, 3. The chemistry of life. Okay, I will read about the oil 2 times, and after that you have to listen and repeat.
Organic molecules always contain carbon, C, and usually also contain hydrogen, H, and oxygen, O, atoms. Some important organic molecules also contain nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, sulfur, S, iron, Fe, and other elements. Carbohydrates are made up of C, H, and O. They can be in the form of monosaccharides, single sugars, disaccharides, double sugars, or polysaccharides, many sugars. Carbohydrates are an important energy source for plants and animals. Lipids are made up of C, H, and O. Triglycerides are a type of lipid that contains glycerol and 3 fatty acid chains. Cholesterol, another type of lipid, can increase the risk of heart disease.
Let's see the first one. Listen together again.
Organic molecules always contain carbon, C, and usually also contain hydrogen, H, and oxygen, O, atoms.
Can you read together? 1, 2, 3. Always in power. Contain hydrogen and oxygen alone. Okay, the first one, organic molecules. Organic molecules. Always contain is have, contains means have what? The first one is carbon. The second one is oxygen, and the last one is hydrogen. Okay, very good. Okay, next.
Some organic molecules also contain nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, sulfur, S, iron, Fe, and other elements.
Okay, can you read together? 1, 2, 3. Contain phosphorus, sulfur, and other elements. Okay. Some important organic molecules also contain the first one. The first one is it has nitrogen, and next is phosphorus, sulfur, and other elements. Okay, let's see the organic or inorganic molecule. The first one, organic molecule, is carbon, hydrogen, and the last one is oxygen. For example, is DNA, sugar, methane, ethanol is called organic molecule. And what about inorganic is table salt, hydrochloric acid, part of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Why is don't have why is not organic molecule? Why CO2 not organic molecule? it contains carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, and CO2 it don't have hydrogen. It don't have hydrogen. That's why it's not organic. It's inorganic. Okay? You understand? What about H2O, water? Water is organic or inorganic? H2O is organic or inorganic? Inorganic. Why? It don't have carbon. Okay, very good. Okay, next.
Carbohydrates are made up of C, H, and O. They can be in the form of monosaccharides, single sugars, disaccharides, double sugars, or polysaccharides, many sugars.
Can you read together? 1, 2, 3. Is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is organic or inorganic? Organic or inorganic carbohydrate? Organic because it has CHO, right? They can be in form monosaccharide. Monosaccharide is the single sugar. And what about disaccharide is? Double sugar. And the last one, polysaccharide is? Many sugar. Very good.
Carbohydrates are an important energy source for plants and animals.
Can you read together? 1, 2, 3. Carbohydrates are important energy source for plants and animals. Okay, carbohydrates is energy for plants and animals. When you eat carbohydrates, it have to get the energy. Okay. Can you give me some example of carbohydrate? Example is rice, and next is what? Bread. Bread, very good. And sweet potato is the carbohydrate. Very good, very good. And next.
Lipids are made up of C, H, and O. Triglycerides are a type of lipid that contains glycerol in the three fatty acid chains.
Lipids are made up of CHO. Lipids are organic or inorganic? Organic because CHO, right? Triglycerides are the type of lipid that contain glycerol and three fatty acid chains. Triglycerides have how many shades of triglyceride? How many shades of triglyceride? 3 fat acid chains. Very good. Okay.
Cholesterol, another type of lipid, can increase the risk of heart disease.
Can you read together? 1, 2, 3.